mettre bagage sur table pour faire temps qui pour lever pour la surprise so il te demandé me pain avec eux et puis avec petit fruits so on prend fin mettre pain sur table on va mettre fruits so fait temps pour célébrer ha ha bon ben on petit surprise sur cabane avec cake là on m'a dit bonne fête. So, fait que tu me content, si par exemple que côté pour y aller, juste lever, bailler ça que vous voulez, demander là, et puis faites que vous content, you know. Ok, déjà préparé j'ai un peu là. So, je ne sais pas boire. C'est avec père ici, on demande moi, so, moi m'arrive. Je ne suis pas voir breakfast déjà prêt pour le monsieur. Il y a pain, jus, chip et puis fruits. Que champagne nous pas ouvert plein nous gain de l'eau. C'est ça le monsieur te voulait manger matin. Bon, c'est fait là. M'oblige faire plaisir. D'accord. Happy birthday to on va faire bruit parce que bah je lever me prendre surprise quelqu'un. So capable. D'accord. On prend le bain de surprise cabane. Les ponts collés, je ne pas parler trop fort. So, on va dire happy birthday. So, et branché mon prince. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Gina.
Thank you, mommy.
Oh, Kimberly, that's your cake. Enjoy your cake. Happy birthday. Da, da, da. Uh-oh. Go ahead. Wait. Happy birthday, my son. You know, mommy love you so, so much. So I hope God keep blessing you. And I want you to listen to me. Today make you 12. It's a big boy now, right? Mm-hmm. He's a big boy now. Now you have to listen to mommy careful, okay? Mm-hmm. So you remember your mommy love?
Yes.
Thank
you, mommy.
You know I love you. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Mwah. So I love you. 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 So nowhere to go today. So you have to celebrate with me. So I make you your breakfast. The breakfast you asked me. So shall we celebrate?
Yeah.
Bam 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 bam. Bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Pantala. Tantala. It's a domination. Happy birthday to you. Oh. Oh, may God bless you. Happy birthday to you, Papa. Oh, wait. That's your birthday. Celebrate, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to let you go to eat. So, to enjoy your breakfast.
Yeah.
Okay. Sukiko, Gina. Oh.
City lights and fountains, we hope your birthday's excellent.
Okay. Happy birthday. I love you. I love you so much.
Thank you, Mommy.
Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Alright, so love y'all. Yeah. Alright. Beep. Way. Beep.
That's right.
Alright, love you.
Love you
So let's go eat your breakfast. You asked me to make it for you. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Get up. Let's go to eat. See your shoes right there? That's where your shoes is. Okay. Alright. Okay. So that's your, breakfast. You're asking for Haitian bread and egg, and you have some good juice, and you have your chip, and then you have your free chip. You ask me, and you like this. So I'm gonna open the champagne. Baby, Gina, I'm gonna try to open the champagne.
I'm very scared.
Oh my god, oh my god. Baby. Wait. I don't want Bobby by the video. Man. Oh my. You guys happy Happy birthday! Enjoy! Happy birthday, Gino. Sorry. Let me get you some napkin. Happy birthday. That's you can drink everything. Gaga in a bush. Happy birthday, Clinton. Happy birthday to you. Bang, ding.
Smell like champagne.
Alright. Enjoy. Sorry.
Is it okay?
Sorry, but I want you to enjoy. Let me see if I could bite my head. So ugly. Happy birthday. Let me kiss you. So today is Gino's birthday. Let him be. Kiteli VVI, okay? Let me get to my Oh, but Gaga, Gina. Enjoy. Drink. It's your birthday. Enjoy. Gina, Gaga, it's a champagne. Ou pas quitter pour moi, garder cosy. Oh, happy birthday. Enjoy. Eat. You see? T'as pas goûté notre petit fouille là. So, yeah. Guys, let's have goûter. Strawberry.
I'm so cold.
Sorry, yo.
It's okay.
Sorry, yo. You know this is your birthday. Nothing I could do. Enjoy. Happy birthday to Gina. It's your birthday. Enjoy. Okay, what you want to tell me?
Thank you, Mommy. I love you.
Love you too. You enjoy
Yeah.
your breakfast? Champagne, I know. I know that dream pour te boire with champagne sans pour tête. Pourquoi? Sorry. Mais c'est pour, c'est la fête. Enjoy. Puis t'as nous pral célébrer encore for dîner, right? Now it's breakfast, dinner coming. Dinner coming. Happy birthday. I love you. Love you, love you, love you. Okay, enjoy. Enjoy, Gino. Enjoy. See your juice. See your chips. Everything you ask me. Finish, eat the bread, put the chip back. Alright. Love you. Kiss me back. So, happy birthday. Love you. Okay, go ahead. Go okay. Yes. Bang. So I want to play pool. Okay, go ahead. Take your cake. Oh, chocolate and vanilla. Okay. Enjoy.
You want a piece, mommy?
A little bit. Tickle. No, I'm finishing my point. I'm finishing. Okay, enjoy. Tempo kia pou, fish it pou. So, 1 second. Enjoy your cake. Nobody here to celebrate with us, but we good, right? We okay. So, bon Dieu fait nous un jour. So, I think mine coming up. Enjoy. Enjoy. Alright, enjoy your birthday, jounen. I come jeudi on pas en classe. No, I can't comprendre ça. We have to go not because it's your c'est fait tout and then pour pas gagner pour travail, c'est important, c'est très important. D'accord? So okay, enjoy. May God bless you. May God continue to, make you, listening to me, focus in your school, focus in everything. Exactly, you want to be like a doctor, right? When you want to be a doctor, so you have to be, focused in school. That's all you have to do. Be focused in school, and then smart boy. I know you're already smart, so still focus, alright? And then you will see your dream. Love you.
Love you too.